Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing 8 drinks that can harm your enlarged prostate. If you or someone you know is dealing with this condition, it's essential to be aware of the potential impact of your dietary choices. First, let's briefly explain what an enlarged prostate is and its common symptoms. An enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH, occurs when the prostate gland becomes larger than normal. This can lead to symptoms such as frequent urination, poor urine flow, and difficulty starting or stopping the urine stream. Now, let's dive in and explore the drinks you should avoid if you have an enlarged prostate. 1. Caffeinated beverages. Examples of caffeinated beverages include coffee, tea, and energy drinks. These can lead to increased urinary frequency and urgency, exacerbating the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. They can also cause bladder irritation and raise testosterone levels, which may contribute to the growth of the prostate gland. 2. Alcohol. Alcohol is a diuretic, which can lead to dehydration and worsen urinary symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate. It can also irritate the bladder and lead to increased urinary frequency and urgency. 3. Sparkling and flavored water. These drinks often contain added sugars, which can contribute to inflammation in the body. Inflammation can worsen symptoms of an enlarged prostate and increase the risk of prostate cancer. 4. Whole milk. Whole milk is high in saturated fat, which has been linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer. It can also raise testosterone levels, potentially contributing to the growth of the prostate gland. 5. Sugary drinks. Examples of sugary drinks include soda, fruit drinks, and sweetened iced tea. Consuming these drinks can lead to weight gain, which is a risk factor for prostate cancer. Additionally, the inflammation caused by high sugar intake can worsen symptoms of an enlarged prostate. 6. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can irritate the urinary system and worsen symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate. They can also cause bladder irritation and increase the risk of urinary tract infections. Examples of spicy foods include hot peppers, curry, and spicy sauces. 7. Saturated fat. Foods high in saturated fat include red meat, butter, and cheese. A diet high in saturated fat has been associated with an increased risk of developing prostate cancer. Saturated fat can also raise testosterone levels, which may contribute to the growth of the prostate gland. 8. Sodium. High sodium foods include processed snacks, canned soups, and fast food. High sodium intake can lead to urinary issues and worsen symptoms of an enlarged prostate. It can also increase blood pressure, which is a risk factor for prostate cancer. By being mindful of the beverages you consume, you can take proactive steps to manage the symptoms of an enlarged prostate and support your overall prostate health. Remember to prioritize hydration with water and opt for drinks that are low in sugar, caffeine, and alcohol to promote a healthy prostate. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with others to show your support and help the content reach a wider audience. Also, feel free to tell us what topic you want us to cover next in the comments section below. See you in the next one.